A man convicted of murder in McMinn County could get a new trial. Joseph Wielzen was sentenced to life in prison in 2019 for raping and killing 18-year-old Kelsey Burnette. Her body was found in a trash can. Liam Collins broke this story in June and was in the courtroom today.
Attorneys for Joseph Wielzen say he did not get a fair transfer hearing, which led him to be tried as an adult. They made their case Tuesday that a lengthy business relationship between District Attorney Steve Crump and Judge Wiley Richardson led to a range of issues during the trial. Joseph Wielzen sat quietly on the side of a McMinn County courtroom, watching attorneys try to get him a chance to overturn his life sentence.
Not waiving his right to a speedy trial was a paramount concern. The discovery issues obviously exacerbated those concerns drastically.
He sat opposite of the family of the woman he was convicted of raping and murdering in 2017. Kelsey Burnette's body was found in a trash can. Attorneys argued a conflict of interest between District Attorney Steve Crump and Judge Wiley Richardson created an unfair advantage. Attorneys highlighted Crump and Richardson's business relationship, running a law firm together, which Crump says ended in 2014.
There was no business relationship. There was an existing formal relationship that was related to his prior work with us.
It was my belief that not only was evidence just mishandled in this case, but also that it was sometimes lost or not preserved.
Defense attorneys argued several jurors were not excused for having prior knowledge of the case. Wielzen's attorneys also said there was evidence like videos and DNA that was not turned over to prosecutors before the hearing. They said the absence of the evidence made it harder for the defense to make their case. Prosecutors said they didn't have the evidence prior to the hearing.
We could have used it to establish that, in fact, this sighting occurred earlier at a time when it would have been problematic for the state's theory in the case.
Crump and Richardson both denied under oath their relationship had any factor in the outcome of the case, saying their law firm had been dissolved after they were elected 3 years before Burnette's murder.
My idea was just, once I left, it's on its own.
A judge will now have to make a ruling on this motion. It's not clear when that will be published, but we will let you know on air and online as soon as we find out. Reporting in McMinn County, Liam Collins, Local 3 News.